Did you know that over 50% of millennials and Gen Zers are already investing using mobile apps? It's never been easier to start growing your money. Investing. It's a word that might seem daunting, especially if you're new to the world of finance. But the truth is, investing is a crucial step towards achieving financial growth and securing your future. Think about it. Your money can grow over time, and who doesn't want that? As a beginner, it's essential to understand that investing is not just for the wealthy or experienced. It's for anyone who wants to take control of their finances. And the best part, you can start today with just a few clicks on your phone. Investing is not just about making money. It's about creating a safety net, building wealth, and achieving financial freedom. By investing, you're putting your money to work for you rather than the other way around. And the sooner you start, the better. The power of compound interest is incredible, and it can make a significant difference in your life over time. So, what's holding you back from getting started? Many of us start with the best intentions, but we often get stuck in the I don't know where to start phase. We might feel overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information out there, or we might be worried about making the wrong investment decisions. But here's the thing. Investing is a learning process, and it's okay to start small. You don't need to be a financial expert to get started. You need the right tools and a willingness to learn. So, what's the first step in this investment journey? Well, it's finding the right investment app that works for you. Trust me, there are plenty of amazing options out there that can help you get started. One of the biggest challenges beginners face when trying to start investing is a lack of knowledge. We might feel like we're not informed enough to make the right decisions, or we might be afraid of losing money. And it's understandable. Investing does come with some level of risk. But the key is to educate yourself, start small, and be patient. Another common challenge is the fear of losing money, which is a legitimate concern. However, the truth is that investing is a long-term game, and it's essential to focus on the bigger picture rather than getting caught up in short-term market fluctuations. Confusion about where to start is another significant hurdle beginners face. With so many investment options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. Do you go for a robo-advisor, a brokerage firm, or a micro-investing app? The options are endless, and it's easy to get stuck in analysis paralysis. And then there's the intimidation factor. Investing might seem like a complex, sophisticated world that's only accessible to finance professionals. But the truth is, investing is for everyone, regardless of your background or experience. Others might be hesitant to start investing because they think they need a lot of money to get started. But that's a common myth. You can start investing with as little as $1. Yes, you read that right, $1. Micro-investing apps have made it possible for anyone to start investing, regardless of their income level or financial situation. Some beginners might be unsure about the fees associated with investing. Are they going to eat into their savings? Are they going to charge exorbitant amounts for every transaction? These are valid concerns, but the truth is that many investment apps offer competitive pricing, and some even offer free transactions or low fees. Another common challenge is finding the time to learn about investing. We're all busy, and it can be hard to dedicate time to researching investment options, reading financial news, and staying up to date with market trends. But the truth is, you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. You just need to be willing to learn. Some beginners might be hesitant to start investing because they're worried about the complexity of the process. They might think that investing is only for finance professionals, or that they need to have a deep understanding of the stock market to get started. But the truth is that investing is more accessible than ever, thanks to user-friendly apps and intuitive interfaces. Others might be put off by the thought of paperwork and administrative tasks associated with investing. They might think that it's a hassle to set up an investment account, or that they'll need to spend hours filling out forms and signing documents. But the truth is that many investment apps offer a seamless, paperless experience that makes it easy to get started. In reality, investing is simpler than you think. With the right app, you can start investing in just a few minutes, and you can access your account whenever, wherever you want. It's time to debunk the myth that investing is only for the wealthy or experienced. It's for anyone who wants to take control of their finances. Now that we've discussed some of the common challenges beginners face, let's talk about the various types of investment apps available. From robo-advisors to micro-investing apps, there are plenty of options to choose from. And the best part, many of these apps are designed specifically for beginners, with user-friendly interfaces and intuitive navigation. Robo-advisors, for example, offer a hands-off approach to investing. These apps use advanced algorithms to manage your portfolio, making it easy to invest in a diversified range of assets. They're often low cost, and they offer a sense of security and stability. Micro-investing apps, on the other hand, allow you to invest small amounts of money into a diversified portfolio. They're perfect for beginners who want to start small and learn as they go. These apps often offer low or no fees, and they're incredibly easy to use. Brokerage firms offer a more traditional approach to investing, allowing you to buy and sell individual stocks, bonds, and ETFs. They often offer more flexibility and control, but they may require more knowledge and experience. When it comes to choosing the right investment app, there are a few things to consider. Firstly, think about your investment goals. What are you trying to achieve? Are you looking for long-term growth, or are you trying to save for a specific goal? Secondly, consider your risk tolerance. How much risk are you willing to take on? And thirdly, think about your budget. How much money do you have to invest each month? With so many investment apps out there, it can be hard to know where to start. That's why I've curated a list of the top 3 investment apps that stand out for beginners. These apps offer a combination of user-friendliness, low fees, and investment options that make them perfect for anyone just starting out. First up, we have Acorns. This micro-investing app allows you to invest small amounts of money into a diversified portfolio with low fees and no minimum balance requirements. It's incredibly easy to use, and it's perfect for beginners who want to start small and learn as they go. Next, we have Robinhood. This brokerage firm offers commission-free trading with no fees or minimum balance requirements. It's a great option for beginners who want more control over their investments, and it's incredibly easy to use. Thirdly, we have Stash. This micro-investing app allows you to invest as little as $5 into a range of ETFs with low fees and no minimum balance requirements. It's a great option for beginners who want to start small and learn as they go, and it's incredibly easy to use. In conclusion, investing is not just for the wealthy or experienced, it's for anyone who wants to take control of their finances. By understanding the common challenges beginners face and exploring the various types of investment apps available, you can start your investment journey today. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and it's essential to be patient and stay informed. With the right app and a willingness to learn, you can start building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your experiences with investing apps in the comments below. Don't forget to check out another video on financial literacy or investing strategies to learn more about growing your wealth.